Hi guys, if you've seen the last vlog, you know that we were working in our garden and I vlogged the whole thing. I just didn't make an intro for those two vlogs, so that's what I'm doing now. I hope you guys enjoy and I can't wait to finish this project. We still need to add mulch and we're going to add flowers, so this is just day 2 of what we got done. And that was pretty much, if you've seen day 1, we were pulling all the grass out that has been there for 2-3 years, I think. So we haven't done anything in the flower bed for a couple years. So this year I wanted to get the house looking nice because in a year or 2 we do want to sell our house. So yeah, but I'm going to go ahead and just let you guys enjoy the vlog and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So this is what we have to do today, is this little bit. James already started part of it. So not much more to do. This is what yesterday's stuff looks like. Right here, we don't know if we're gonna keep these logs or if we're gonna do like bricks. We gotta figure that out. But this is what it looks like so far. I got some like garden stuff today to put in here, so yeah. The next project is getting that rock out of there because I don't want no more rocks in here. That is probably the biggest rock that is in there, so that's going to be a challenge. James is getting ready to move that rock. He's gonna pull it with his truck. This should be interesting. I'm sitting in the car and Levi is sleeping. So I don't know if I mentioned, but we did decide, I think, to go with the logs instead of brick pavers or like bricks. So that's what we're gonna do with that. We are gonna leave the bricks. I think I might stain them and then seal them so they're all like one color. We'll see. Well, that was easy. But what I was saying is I can't wait to start in our backyard because we're doing a porch, because right now we just have a cement pad and it's like cracking up and we're worried about that breaking our sliding glass door. So we're gonna do a wood deck, and then we're gonna, like, part of our backyard we're gonna fence off so the dogs can't get to it, so I don't have to worry about like them using that yard for the bathroom. And we're gonna make that like Levi's little like playground. He's gonna have an in-ground pool, or not an in-ground pool, an in-ground trampoline, a swing set. We're gonna make him a sandbox. We might leave like a little bit of grass in there for him to play with, but then we have to worry about like getting a push mower to mow that, so I don't know. But yeah, we'll see. But so, I mean, I need to get this flower bed done, and we need to lay mulch, which probably won't be today. Probably be like next, either over the week or next weekend. And then I still need to lay all the flowers and decorate. As you can see, I have one more decoration right there. I just got that one today. So finishing the front probably this week, because there's one day it's supposed to be 80 degrees, so I'm really excited about that. Levi's waking up. So yeah, I'm really excited about that, but I'm also really excited to start his like play area in the background, even though he won't really be able to use much of it this year. Mostly probably just a sandbox. I'm still really excited. And I know if anyone knows me in like real life, like my sister I think watches, my sister-in-law, and I know my niece watches this. We don't plan on staying in this house much longer, so yeah, we're doing this work, but while we're here, I still want to enjoy it, and I want Levi to have fun too, so yeah. And I know this front flower bed has needed to be done for years. Like, I don't think we've done anything in it for 3 years. That's why there was grass there, and we would just mow the grass. So yeah, this angle is hideous, but yeah, I better get back out there and help James while Levi is sleeping, because once he wakes up, he kind of requests my attention a little bit more, and I can't help as much. So I'm going to go, and I will continue to update you guys on the process that we're making. So little Levi's up. Little Levi! Mama put sunblock on him. We're just sitting in the grass playing, watching Daddy. No, icky, baby. Icky. You watch together. Just enjoying life. What are you doing? Baby. Got Mama's hair.
It's 10 yards at 200. 10 yards at 20. If he says $25, that's $250. Well, that place at, I figured just build a platform on the ground like a out of 2x6s or 2x12s, and just fill that in with fucking mulch. Yeah, just drive stakes down or something. So I figured we buy 10.
Probably go get that in a couple of weeks.
He has it already. Mulch.
Oh no, I mean
Oh.
I think he signs his papers this week.
Does he?
Yeah. I meant to ask him Saturday.
See, at Rob's, if you get 10 yards, you get delivery free.
I have stuff for Levi's backyard. I have this extra slide and like teeter-totter swing that we're gonna attach to his playground. We have the trampoline like mat thing. And then over here, this frame is garbage. That one's broken, so we're gonna get a new frame. And then I have all these, and they're like really rusty, but I'm gonna get that like protector mat that goes over these anyways, so I'm not worried about that. But that's what's going on over here. Like I said, this will probably start all this stuff next weekend or the following week, because we got to start on our deck too. So yeah, that is what this stuff is. We should be getting his playset swing, like playground, within the next week or two. And we were given that, but it needs like a lot of work, so that's why we're getting the swing and teeter-totters. It's just like the base, and then we're gonna add on to it. We're gonna put a wooden infant swing and then like a regular swing in case like my nieces and nephews come over. I'm pretty excited about it, to kind of like customize his like play area. But yep. Oh, really? Him and his little banglers. So I just wanted to show you guys like what the flower garden looks like all finished. And then I got a couple decorations I'm gonna show you where I got them from. These two flowers, one is purple, one is blue. I got those from Royal King, the milk carton. I'm gonna try and take that top out and put flowers in there. I had that from an auction. These flowers there were already here. They like grew back from previous years. So those are currently the only flowers in this right now. And I think James may have ruined them. I'm not sure, but then you go down here. We still have to finish this. I need to scrub that bench to get a little cleaner and finish and level that out. But being that we still have we really do still have more work to do this weekend before we can even add the mulch. We gotta probably like rototiller it up again. But so we have more work to do there. This flower here is from Royal King, and it was like, I think $12.99. The small ones at the end were like $3.69, I think. And then when you go down here, this flower here, which is the one I like the best, was from TSC, and it was $12.99. And I do plan to go back and get more. I think they have some blue ones just like this, like teal, and I want to get some more of those. So probably get another teal. I'll get a teal one and another white one. So that, sorry, all the cars keep driving by. That is what it looks like so far, and it, like I said, it still needs a lot of work, but it's getting there and I'm enjoying it. So yeah, I will continue to show you guys the progress that we make on this.